Markets had a very volatile and a choppy movement in the last 1 week, and we saw sectors like pharmaceuticals and IT, outperforming the market. Overall, I think the markets are now observing the quarter 1 financial numbers, and I think on a case-to-case basis, we are seeing a lot of stock-specific action. The markets are definitely now in a more of a consolidation zone, and we expect that in the coming week also markets will be closely watching global factors like the expectation of a fresh fiscal stimulus, which gets complete on 31st July. This is going to be a very important development in the coming week, because markets were expecting that before the deadline of 31st July there could be a big fiscal stimulus announced by President Trump. The second important factor would be, the news flows from the government on the bank recapitalization, as well as some further kind of incentives announced for the banking sector. The government has already announced that, in terms of credit and in terms of disbursements, they would be looking at, banks more favorably. And most importantly, we have been seeing that moratorium levels, both for the private sector as well as the PSU banks, have come off quite significantly. This is definitely a positive sign. We believe that the markets are in a kind of a restrictive zone, and possibly we could see a little bit of profit booking, considering the fact that now large heavyweights like Reliance, Bharti Airtel have announced numbers, and these numbers have been more or less in line with expectations, but there have been no major positive or negative surprises. So the markets have taken this as a neutral stance, and we believe that stocks which have run up in the last 2 to 3 months could see selective profit booking. Our positive stance is on IT sector. We continue to believe that companies like Tech Mahindra, TCS, Infosys could continue to remain in the limelight, considering the currency headwinds, tailwinds for the Indian companies. And more importantly, we believe that there could be some further positive announcements given out by these companies in the coming quarters. So net, I would believe that one has to take a very stock-specific strategy, and corporate earnings would continue to remain in focus. But overall, I think the markets are definitely in a consolidation zone, and a stock-specific approach should be adopted by investors. That's it from my side. Thank you very much.